Meaning of czar. Czar. Czar.
Czar. Czar. The term czar originated from the title of the imperial ruler in Russia. It is now commonly used to refer to a person who holds a position of authority or control over a particular aspect of government policy or business operations. Czars can be found in various fields, ranging from drug policy to cybersecurity. The appointment of czars has been a subject of debate, with some arguing that it creates an unnecessary layer of bureaucracy, while others believe it is necessary for effective governance. Overall, the term czar refers to a person with a high level of power and responsibility within a specific area of expertise.